Have you ever considered using Pinterest to advertise your business? Today, you'll discover how to market your business on a visual search engine which has over 433 million active monthly users. 90% of users say Pinterest helps them decide what to buy. So let's catch up on this huge market and talk about Pinterest marketing. First things first, you need to look legitimate. To do that, you need to claim your website. Just go into the Business Hub, hit Claim, and then click Website. You'll get a unique code that you'll need to insert into your website header. This will show up on your Pinterest page to show that your website has been claimed. That means people will now know that you own that website and that it's safer than the click-through to your site via your Pinterest profile. Next, to get your profile optimization sorted. That starts with making the description of your business and its product or services. Make sure to include your target keywords and a call to action. Add your URL and enable rich pins. Rich pins come in many forms and sizes, but the top ones your business needs to know about are product pins, which give users info like how they can make a purchase and even real-time stock availability. Article pins, which will display info like the author, headline, or description of an article, and app pins, which include a call to action to download an app directly through the Pinterest platform. Here, I want to be resourceful and share with you a valuable tool called Venngage. It provides pre-designed templates for any infographics you can possibly think of. You can edit these templates using the free online editor and download them in any format you like. Next step is placing ads. Because no matter which sector you call home, Pinterest can help you drive sales and increase revenue. One key way Pinterest does this is with shopping ads. Shopping ads showcase items in your product catalog using a single image or video ad. Creating a shopping ad is pretty straightforward. Head into the business section of the profile and select the type of campaign you'd like to run. Depending on your marketing needs, you can choose from 3 options. Build awareness. This is about helping people discover your brand. Drive consideration. This is getting people curious about your product or services. And get conversions. This will optimize your ability to make sure that people click that buy button. So you can choose your goals depending on where Pinterest sits in your marketing funnel. Next up, budget. The good news is that Pinterest traffic is often affordable, so you should have some wiggle room to experiment with campaigns for relatively low spend. Even just a few dollars of spend will start to give you an indicator of how your campaigns are landing. Next up is targeting. You need to create ads groups that are based on the keywords you use to optimize your profile. You can also select demographics along these factors. So next, we need to zoom in on the people within these groups that we most want to sell to. You can add keywords and interest to put your ads front and center when someone is searching for that specific term. Final step, optimization for conversions. Make sure your optimization and delivery are set to automatic for bidding. This means Pinterest will try its best to get the best possible conversions from your budget. And that's it. You're ready to promote your business through Pinterest. Thanks for watching this quick guide. Try using Venngage for free. Don't forget to follow us on social media, and I'll see you in the next one.